Hey everyone, Tech5 here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI on Instagram. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up our Instagram here. And once you open it up, you're going to go ahead and enter your DM or the messages here. And after that, all you'll have to do is you'll see a smiley face icon that looks like a star. You're going to tap on that. And there you go. You can see all the AIs. Now, in order to create your own one, you would click on Create. And then what does your AI do and make it unique? So you want to go ahead and type a description of that. I'm going to tip it as is, hit Next. And then what kind of conversation style you want the AI to have. As you can see here, we can pick any of this. And then if you want to other one, you can build your own, hit Next. And the type of role you want it to play, you can kind of give it a idea or create your own. So we're going to hit Next. And then the response type that you like. So we're going to hit Next. And then you can go ahead and generate, like, as you can see here, different things. It already generates a lot of the stuff, but you can also customize it as well. Then create, and then it's going to say it's going to take some time to prepare or create your AI. And as you can see here, it's going to go ahead and do that. And now, as you can see here, I have selected it. Now you can also add a voice if you like. So you can go ahead and pick a voice and play it. And just like that, you can see here, publish. And now I have created a AI. And of course, you can make it as customization as well. And others can also use this AI once it's been processed. But that's how you create a AI just like that. And if you ever want to see you can see it here. Click on that gear icon to get more information, statistics, and all that as well. But that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for Instagram. We'll see you guys next.